Question is, how much Lotus do I need to grow one plant? Yeah, that's a pretty loaded question. And the reason is because it's very dependent on the size of container that you're growing in, the size of the plant that's growing in that container, how good your root base is on that plant, and also the medium that you're using. So I don't know if I could actually answer that one outright. What I would suggest is going to our Lotus feed chart to see what we recommend in terms of strength for the different mediums, and then really just keeping an eye on what your plant is needing in terms of nutrients, keeping an eye on the overall health of the plant through leaf color, and then also just how hungry your plant is in terms of how quick your medium is drying out. And that all those factors go into how much Lotus you're actually going to need to do a full round on a single plant.